I had a look at this the other day, and the concept of moving it was relatively straightforward. It was just really just finding all the pieces. So I left it, and then I came back to it today and thought I'd have another shot at it, and found the pieces I need, and made it more complicated than I needed to make it, and then realized that it could be done relatively simply. I don't know if this is what effect that this is going to have on your grid. I have no idea because your grid's going to be completely different than mine. But so here's my summary. Here's the scroll bar. It's a scrollable grid, and so the totals are scrolling underneath the scroll bar. Um, I don't know if you can put them on top of the scroll bar here. I don't even know if you'd want them there. I don't think you could probably get them there. But at any rate, if I press this button, it moves the summary total table, because it's inside a table, up underneath the body of the grid, and so that looks pretty good. And the scrolling still is valid as well. So let's go and have a look to see how we did this. This is just JavaScript attached to my button. So the first thing we do is we go and get, probably do this with dollar signs. Don't need that full stuff. We go and get the, hold on, I'm just going to go and change this. Here, just change that around a little bit. Anyway, the body of the grid, when you use the property that allows the grid to scroll, is put inside a table called grid scroll table. So all we're doing here is we're going to get that table. We're going to go and get that element. Now when you use summary values, they're also put into an element, into another table, inside a div, inside a lot of other stuff. But at any rate, the name, the significant name of that element is grid footer scroll div. So we go and get that element as well, and then we take the table element, the body that's inside the scroll, and we use append child to append the summary values to the end of the table. So it just moves it up. Now, when I first did that, the summary disappeared from underneath the scroll bars and didn't appear anywhere else until I realized that its overflow setting was set to hidden. So we just changed the style overflow of the grid footer scroll div to visible, and it shows up. And that works really well. And again, I have no idea what effect this is going to have on your system, but I would check this in Firefox and in Chrome, and it runs exactly the same way. But it does move it up, so it's within the body now, and that's kind of what you're looking for, I think. Thanks for having a look.